This is a short video to demonstrate how AlbaWrite could produce a pest inspection report. Before I start, I should say I'm not a pest inspector, I have no knowledge of the industry. The template I'm showing you here was built in AlbaWrite by me, just as an example of the type of structure you could use and how AlbaWrite could build the report. Okay, so here we go. You have one template for each report type. We'll choose pest inspection. Now normally when you run it, you type in your client name and their address. In this case, these are the test values set up, so just because we're running it quickly, but these values are put in throughout the report. Okay, now AlbaWrite basically asks you a series of questions. As you click the options, the report gets built up, so you can see it ends up here. Check the property at 5 High Street for termite, ants and cockroaches. Next question. And it's going to ask us for a room. We're going to inspect it room by room, so we'll say we did the kitchen. We'll say yes, there was a restriction. We couldn't get behind the stove. And we'll say we found some problems, and we'll say we found some ants and cockroaches. Next room. Any restrictions? No. And we'll say no problems, and it basically didn't ask us what the problems were. It's basically put in a sentence saying there wasn't any problems. Okay, here we're just putting in a paragraph about, the general things we might have found, some more information about how they got there, how we get rid of them, things like that, and recommendations, what we're going to do. So we'll just tick them on. You can see these could be massive paragraphs with links to pictures and things like that. Okay, that's the end of the report. You click report, and AlbaWrite puts it into the clipboard, so you can paste it into an email or a document. So I'll open a new Word document, click paste, and then I'll have a little macro here which puts headers and footers in for me. So you can see it puts your logo here, puts this in bold, and it's basically produced a report. Put in some pictures. And there we go. Okay, so if you email me an example of your report here, free of charge, I'll send you back a little part of the template which should produce that report, which will give you a better idea if AlbaWrite's for you. Once again, there's no charge or obligation to buy.